Hello, my dear students. I am Professor L.M. Mavintop, Department of English, RTS College, Ranebennur. It is the first online class for you. The subject is Basic English, topic press writing. Press writing is a 10 marks question. One passage will be given. You are supposed to make it 1/3 of the original passage. The question, what is press writing? Press is a summary or shortened form of a piece of writing in which matters of details are left out and only the important points are retained. It is a short digest of the essential facts or ideas contained in the given passage. Brevity or conciseness or compression is the essence of press. In press writing, one must have an adequate or enough vocabulary. Press can be used in government offices, newspaper offices, business, or firms. Before we go to press, it is better we can understand what are the terms and conditions of the press writing, or rules of press writing. When you are sitting in an examination hall, going through the question paper, there will be a question, press writing. Before you start writing press, you must follow these conditions. Number 1, read the passage carefully to grasp what the writer has said. Second is, underline the important lines or points which are connected with the main subject. If you become personal secretary or personal assistant to the managing director or any minister or any other firm, then only you can follow this one. But in the examination, don't underline the important lines because it is prohibited. For your convenience, before you approach the question paper, while you are practicing, you go through all these conditions. Number 3, use your own language. Words, phrases may be used. Usually, the students will make the 1/3 cutting some sentences of the given passage. That is not press writing. While writing press, you should follow the conditions, very important, that is, use your own language. Press should be roughly 1/3 of the original passage. Examples, illustrations, unnecessary explanations, comparisons should be left out. Do not express your own opinion or comments. You don't have the liberty to express your own opinion or comment, just like according to me, like that. What is given, you go through the passage and underline the important points, and what are the unimportant, I mean example, illustrations and the comparisons, you left it out. The next condition for precis writing is your precis should be connected to the whole. That means whatever you write, I mean 1/3 of the given passage, that should be connected to the whole, in the sense that is original passage given in the examination. Do not use direct form of speech. That is what I mentioned already, according to me, like that. Use only the indirect form of speech. And think a suitable title for the given passage or your precis writing. That suitable title may be occur in the beginning of the passage or middle of the passage or at the end of the passage. That is a clue that I am giving you. But you have to think what will be the suitable title for the precis. And especially in the competitive examinations, there will be a particular question, you know that one. Your precis should be restricted within these words. Therefore, if it is possible, even in the examination, indicate the number of words at its end. General hints on writing precis. It is useful to learn one-word substitution. I think you are already in 3rd semester. In the 1st and 2nd semester, you have studied one-word substitutions, synonyms, antonyms. The intention behind prescribing such topics is to enhance your vocabulary power, enhance your language. For example, carpenters, blacksmiths, tailors, cobblers. These are all the words which are maybe in the one passage. But instead of mentioning all the words, better you can use the appropriate one word which is equal or sequel to these 4 words. That is artisans. What we can say in Kannada, karmacharigalu. In the second example, for example, Ram is liked by many people. This is a sentence. But if you want to reduce it only to the 3 words, you can mention Ram is popular. That means if he is liked by many people and he may be a very popular, better you can mention the word popular instead of liked by many people. And the third rule, the example is, these words are identical in sense of meaning. For example, instead of mentioning all these words, these are synonyms, are just synonyms. And the next one is, figurative language should be changed into single and direct expression. In the passage, there will be a description, the illustrations, using figurative language, in such a way that you, as a student or examiner, you can change into the very single and the direct expression. For example, I feel that ambition and success which aim at often take us away from the right path and involves in difficulties. This is written in figurative language. For simple expression or the direct expression of this figurative language is, look at, author's feeling is that the ambition and the success which people aim at often take them away from the right path and involves them in difficulties. After going through all these, the first one is precis writing and the terms and conditions of the precis writing, and then what to do when you are facing the question paper, For your convenience, that I would like to give one example. That is, the first one is passage, the next one is presage. Teaching is the noblest of the professions. A teacher has a sacred duty to perform. It is he on whom rests the responsibility of molding the character of young children. Apart from developing their intellect, he can inculcate in them qualities of good citizenship. Remaining neat and clean, talking decently, and sitting properly. These virtues are not easy to be imbibed, acquired. Only he who himself leads a life of simplicity, purity, and rigid discipline can successfully cultivate these habits in his pupils. Pupils means students. Besides, a teacher always remain young. He may grow old in age, but not in spite. Perpetual contact with the budding youths keeps him happy and cheerful. There are moments when domestic worries weigh heavily on his mind, but the delightful company of innocent children makes him overcome his temporary moods of despair. Look at, this is a passage which is given. Suppose if it is given in the examination, you have to focus what are the important points in the passage. About what the passage is. Is it about English language? Is it about the teacher? Is it about the virtues of the teachers? Look at the very simple, that one obvious factor while looking at these very passage, you'd see there is the virtues of the good teacher. Therefore, look at the presage. For example, you see there are around 8 to 10 sentences in the passage, but in the presage, hardly 3 sentences. This is what I said, 1/3 of the given passage. The presage of the given passage is, teaching is the noblest profession. Okay. A teacher himself leading a simple, pure, and disciplined life can mold the character of young children and make them neat and good-mannered citizens. Besides, he remains ever young. It is not every, it is ever young, forgetting his own domestic worries in the constant company of the young. Look at, this is how the very jocund company of the students or the children and make the mind of the teacher ever fresh. A teacher is ever student. So this is about a brief description about the very topic, that is presage writing, the question of 5 marks. There will be one passage and you follow all these instructions which I have mentioned already, and also one example which is given in here in this PPT. And for further descriptions, you can look into my blog, that is lmmarvintob.blogspot.com. Thank you very much. Look at, instead of thank you very much, I have written just only the thanks. This is also presage, isn't it? Thank you very much. There will be 4 words, but I have written only in the one single word, that is thanks. So this is also an indication of how we can condense the entire sentence, making it brief. That's what I mentioned. Brevity or the conciseness or compressions, that's very important in presage writing. Thank you once again.